Do you want to come with me to the store? Gotta go get all of these things out of the store. Showing all my most unflattering angles. And my hair, it was cute. Now it's all got leaves in it and stuff. Okay. Yeah, I don't know about this light. My shoes untied. I gotta go. All right, hold on, guys. I gotta get my shoe tied. Where's like the light up in here in this area? I'm like happier in general in life. The lighting in this area is. Look at all the RVs. It's such a party out here. Okay. Check out this new ring. Look at the bling on that. It's I got it at a retro antique vintage store in Seaside. And it just fit my finger perfect. And I was like, ooh, I'm getting this. It was only $6. It's so freaking cool. It's missing some of the rhinestones, but it's still like so freaking cool. And it's tough. Like, it's tough. It doesn't, it holds up. Like, it hasn't lost any rhinestones since I've been wearing it nonstop for like the past week and a half. All right, let's get all these things. What happened to the list? All right. The list. Items that I've sold, I got to get out of the store. And they just had a baby, so the store's only open 3 days a week now. So I got to, when it's open, I got to run down there and get it. I'm not sure I'm going to do that this winter. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure how because they have to move me in there anyway, a little bit. It'll be fine. Everything's working out. All right, let's go to the store. The other shoe was untied. I'm going to put the phone down and look at that big tree. It's like hard to miss, right? Well, you'd be surprised how many people live here and don't even know that tree exists. So, anyway, there's the river. There's the vet clinic for Naughty. R.I.P. Rest in peace. Wonderful kitty. Now I gotta go get our items out of the store. Okay, I'm not gonna walk down the street with the camera. One of the items right here. I feel like I already sold. I know I might have sold out of those dresses. I gotta put something else up here instead. Sold. Okay. So, okay. Let's hear my mouth.
Doing your thing?
Yeah, I am. I need to get some 2X tees. Ooh, look at this. I think that's a 2X tee right here. Check out this beauty. I think she bought this one already. She wanted a different style. Oh, that's a 3X. Ooh, that's a nice shirt. This is a sold shirt. But this is a 2X, but I think she already has this one. All right, I'll meet you back at the house. Oh, and now it's recording. Great. Okay, we got some items out of the store, and that's sold already. And there's only 2 of these tunic dresses, the $68. I marked them way down. That's kind of cheap for what it is. I had 5 of them. Sold them quick. They're kind of wide and short for my usual style, but they sure sold though. Okay, look at the house. That's cute. Nice. Oh, that's nice. You got all the stuff. I mean, you could have been a little more thorough. There's like all these little bits of leaves everywhere.
That's why you should like spread it out so it wouldn't degrade.
Well, he's putting away the landscaping in there. Doing all the hard work. And it's a Saturday, so it's kind of quiet at the store. We were just down there. Quiet weekend. Apparently there's like some big race in Seaside, where I got my cool ring. And that's, plus school starts next week, in my opinion. I think that's what's going on. I'm painting today. Wow, I gotta get that. This place gets crazy with foliage and cobwebs. And this creeping morning glories, ivy, things just grow here like crazy. And which is nice, but it's if you don't pay attention to it, these plants will take over your whole house. This is what I've been working on today. I got a request for these 2X scoop tees, and I've made a bunch of them. They look really good with the wax on. Gorgeous. And I got some more out of the store. And yes, they were on my shoes. I don't know. See the paper. Yeah, so there's 3 of these. We're gonna get these in the dye with the baby shirts. Look at the back. Isn't that pretty? So that's the back shoulder of the shirts. And yeah, I'm happy to show these to you. Okay, there's one 3X that I made. Also quite beautiful. And I'm playing with these V-necks from these classic V-neck shirts. Just doing stuff, you know. And then we have these absolute beauties. Oh, I haven't, this in 3X also. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna make more of these. Wait till you see these finished. These are gonna be insane. These like little tunic tee dress things. Ah, they're so cute. These are winning all the awards, all of them. If there's an award out there to win for batik, boom, it won it. Just won it. It won it by association. Just by existing, it won. That's how cool these shirts are. I don't know if you've really seen everything that's happening here or going to happen. What? What is that? That's what I'm telling you about. Look. Look at it. And we're going to do 4 colors. Yes, I said that. 4 colors. What? What? I mean, how do you explain all this? How do you even explain it? It's not explainable. It's a natural phenomena. Okay? That's what it is. All these cute shirts. Screaming natural phenomena. I can't even talk about them. All right, I'm gonna make these shirts, guys. I finished the baby shirts. The baby's getting big quick. Better get those done. All right, thanks for watching my vlog. It's a vlog, guys. I mean, it's kind of like a batik video. We did show some batiks here. It's a work day, guys. Let's spend very little time on this one. Get back into the zone and get some more stuff made. Because, I mean, out here, it's fall, basically. For some reason, it's different out here. The climate is different. It's wild. It's really beautiful. I think it's going to be really beautiful. So we're going to make hoodies and get them. Like, look at me. I'm in head to toe covered. Like, this is my outfit of the day. Okay? I'm in full, like, winter mode. And if I were in Eugene, this would be winter clothing. This house has so many mirrors. I made this dress for a customer. Came out great. Wrong fabric. I used the wrong fabric for the pattern, so I'm remaking them. And actually, I made 6 dresses. I'm going to remake all of those dresses into a different style with that fabric. And then I have this fabric, so I'm going to make that dress. I have to remake it, basically. So this is my summer. This is August for me, okay? And this is when I'm not wearing a wool sweater over it. Okay, this is when it gets hot. Okay, then you have like neck air conditioning. But for mother's party, I'm like, it's cold. And then I have a wool sweater. Ooh, look at these, guys. When should I get these posted? Oh my God, I forgot I even made these. I just made these this week. Aren't they beautiful? All right, stay tuned for those. All right, see you in the next video. So, and thank you guys for liking my videos. Those OGs that have hung in there with me over the years. Right? Guys, I'm telling you, My story is evolving, and it's evolving amazingly, and I cannot wait to share it with you, but I'm gonna wait. Okay, that's all I gotta tell you for now. And but stay tuned, okay? Because not only is the workshop reopening, and we're gonna share in there. We share such great, okay, whatever. But also, yeah, okay, just stay tuned. Ooh, boats. Thanks for liking the video and for subscribing and for checking out my website for all the cool stuff for sale. And for subscribing and for liking my video and me. Okay, thanks. That was cool. All right, bye.